Hi, it's Laura. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful winter season. Today we're going to look at the new subscription box from Margot Elena. She has arrived. She took her sweet time in the mail, but finally, today, she has arrived. So, without further ado, let's get going. This is the winter box for 2021. All right, here we are. They always seal them and pack them so beautifully. And I'll give you the first glimpse. And all things nice. With a nice little card. And this has the description of everything. Beautiful color box. I love this theme, the dark berry red and the navy box. Most of the times when they have light boxes, it gets really messed up and dirty in the mail. And this one looks lovely. So it says here, the wait is over. Let's have a look. What we were waiting for. Whew. Again, lovely packing. Here she is. Look at that. It's jam-packed and once again, and very, very heavy. Very well packed, secure. And it smells beautiful already. So we're going to start with what's on the top, which are these items right here. And what we have is 3 hand creams in a travel size or trial size. And it's about that big for each one. They are Lolia Relax, Breathe, and from the Tokyomilk line, Let Them Eat Cake. Oh, wonderful. I have a candle of Let Them Eat Cake and I love it. It smells great. Their hand creams are all beautiful shea butter, and these will be wonderful for tossing in my purse and taking with me, especially in the winter when your hands get really dry. Highly recommend their hand creams. So the hand creams, Assorted Petite Treat Trio, which means maybe they give different scents in different boxes, and the 3 of them together are a value of $25. Their hand creams are very luxe, and I believe that would be their retail price. All right. Let's see. Also on the top, we have something from the Cottage greenhouse line. It is Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. Some more hand cream, this time in their full size. Oh, the packaging is so adorable. And look at that. Wonderful. Cottage greenhouse. Rich Shea Butter in Sugar Beet and Blossom. The Sugar Beet and Blossom is listed at $26 for the hand cream. And again, yeah, that's expensive for a hand cream. I tell you, it does last a very long time. Also on the top, a Tokyomilk Finest Perfumed Soap is listed at $10. Again, it is a large 5 ounce and it will last a very long time. It's a lovely scent, not very overpowering. Some florals, really pretty. So now we've come to the things that are all wrapped up, like presents and packages for the season. We'll start with this big one here. All right, we have another Cottage greenhouse item, whipped body butter, carrot and Neroli. Neroli? I don't know. From Cottage greenhouse. I have not tried their body butters before, so this will be... Oh, it's really subtle. A little kind of hint of spice, but very fresh, quite lovely. And it says carrot oil is one of the most rejuvenating oils found in Mother Nature's garden, loaded with vibrant beta-carotene, vitamins A, B, D, and E. It nourishes and helps restore your skin to a vital glow. Again, perfect for winter. I'm gonna love that one. I like really perfumed things, but I don't like really perfumed things. It's funny. And Margot Elena just seems to strike the right balance for me. A beautiful fragrance, but it's not overwhelming, and it's really pretty and really quality scents that they use. So I don't know, I love it. All right, here we go, next item. And here we have Radiant Gem from the Tokyomilk line. I love Tokyomilk perfumes. I have a lot of them. My favorite is Everything and Nothing from the Tokyomilk Dark. Let's give this a little taste. It says Lemon Amber Balm, Winter Daphne Musk. Yeah, that's very apt. It is a little musky, but the lemon really brings it up and takes away some of that heaviness that you get sometimes from musk. It's wonderful. That will go in my collection for sure. Some of these will be converted into gifts for the holidays, and some will be hoarded by me. All right, we've got a couple more things left. Whoop. Ooh, this is a big bottle. Another Cottage greenhouse line item. Carrot and Neroli, also the same scent. Shower oil and body wash. Their shower products are fantastic. And the last, well, almost the last. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Library of Flowers. This Library of Flowers line is wonderful. Small batch shower gel. Forget Me Not is the fragrance, and their packaging is lovely as well as. And finally, down to the bottom, we have a little note card. So the little note to the subscribers said that they were going to plan to do a little Lolia wish luminary, a little candle, but instead they couldn't get it due to supply issues. Pretty typical for right now. But they've included the hand cream samplers instead. And we have some lovely cards for different seasons. Girl Boss, that's fun. Whoopsie Daisy. And Happy Birthday to My Favorite Drama Queen. Very cute. I love having a few little cute cards to give to friends as need be on hand. All right, let's do a rundown of the prices and then we're out. All right, the new Radiant Gem perfume is $42, and that's a standard price for their perfumes of this size in this line. The cards, the three of them together are $16.50. That's very expensive for cards, but I'll give them a pass because everything else is so lovely, and they are very cute and wonderful style. The soap, $10. The Assorted Petite Handcreame selection, $25.50. The body butter from Cottage Greenhouse is $34, and that is a gigantic tub and beautiful glass container. Let's just see. Do they say how many ounces that is? Ah, here we go. 5.5 ounces. The Cottage Greenhouse body wash and body oil, 23. Wow, that's a good value for that. That is going to last a long time. I know that body oils and body washes are very concentrated. You don't need to use very much with them. Forget Me Not shower gel, $23. And their shower gels are really lovely. And finally, our Sugar Beet hand lotion at $26. The total value for the whole box is $200, which is more than 50% off, saving for the cost of the box, including shipping. Their boxes are very good value for the quality and quantity of product that they deliver. The boxes are available seasonally 4 times a year. So that is the wonderful Winter 2021 All Things Nice box from Margot Elena. Bye. Have a wonderful season.